Just move. Yeah, exactly. Yes.
Do you chew it or do you swallow it whole?
No, you have
This
to
is like
chew
that,
it.
that revival.
Just bite it, chew it.
So just throw it all in.
Yeah.
And then swallow.
Just for
No,
the photos,
chew.
put here in the phone. Let it chew it. Chew it for not a long time, but for some time, and you will feel this one like a nut.
And then you swallow it all.
Look at this.
Oh.
Your eyes are all red in the
Yeah.
picture.
The end. The verdict. Yeah, it's not gone yet. Nice.
No reaction. Está rico.
You swallow
How is it?
No sabía coco.
How does it compare
What does
to
it taste
corn?
like?
Oh, it's. I don't know. I don't know what it tastes like. It kind of pops in your mouth.
No.
That's what I was afraid of.
Yeah,
don't
I'm
care.
afraid of that too.
Yeah.
Yeah, love.
Gita, are you gonna eat it?
Yeah.
I don't know.
That's my girl.
Leave a nasty taste.
Yeah,
Really?
it's not so bad. It actually tastes like coconut.
Open your mouth.
I already crunched it.
Is it?
Show it.
Oh
No,
my god.
bueno, nothing else.
If you didn't know it was a bug, then you wouldn't wear it.
Yeah.
It kind of is like a raisin, but it tastes like coconut.
Alright.
That's not too bad.
So it's okay, it's edible?
It actually doesn't feel bad in your mouth because it feels like a raisin. It's got like kind of like the seeds.
Oh,
It's just the idea of it is kind of gross.
a tiny one.